What are the consequences of my delayed green card priority date as an Indian-born F-1 OPT EAD holder? Delaying your EB2 or EB3 priority date as an Indian national on F-1 OPT EAD pushes you further back in a multi-decade-long green card backlog. This delay risks your legal status expiring before you can transition to an H-1B, limits job mobility, and defers the age at which you can lock in compliance protections. As an Indian-born F-1 OPT EAD holder, delaying your EB2 or EB3 priority date means you lose your place in line for a U.S. green card. Because wait times are measured in years and decades. For backlogged countries like India and China, every day you wait to file your PERM labor certification pushes your final permanent residency approval further into the future. As an Indian national on F-1 OPT EAD, delaying your EB2 or EB3 priority date means you wait longer in the official green card queue. Because a priority date is set by your PERM labor certification or I-140 filing date, any delay pushes back your place in line. This leads to extended visa backlogs, delayed work and travel permits, and a higher risk of children aging out of eligibility. As an Indian-born F-1 OPT EAD holder, delaying the filing of your EB2 or EB3 labor certification pushes back your priority date, meaning you lose your spot in line. This delay lengthens your overall wait time for a green card and keeps you tied to temporary non-immigrant visas longer, and increases your exposure to future visa retrogression or per-country quota caps. As an Indian national on F-1 OPT EAD, delaying the establishment of your green card priority date pushes you further back in line. Because the U.S. government caps annual green card numbers, a later priority date means a longer overall wait. Delayed filing eligibility for adjustment of status, and a higher risk of being caught in long-term backlogs or visa retrogression. As an Indian-born F-1 OPT EAD holder, delaying your EB2 or EB3 priority date moves you further back in the multi-year visa bulletin queue, increasing retrogression risks, lengthening your H-1B dependency, risking child aging out under CSPA rules, and delaying permanent residency and career mobility. Summary of consequences of a delayed priority date for an Indian-born F-1 OPT EAD holders. Massive backlogs, EB2 and EB3 categories for Indian-born individuals face severe decades-long retrogression and backlogs. Delayed place in line. Every month you delay starting the PERM and I-140 process pushes your eventual green card approval further into the future. Extended backlog exposure. Indian-born applicants face severe retrogression and backlogs spanning over a decade. Waiting to file means your ultimate green card approval date moves further into the future. F-1 OPT expiration gaps. OPT EAD timelines are finite. If you do not secure an approved I-140 or transition to an H-1B cap-subject or cap-exempt visa before OPT ends, you risk falling out of status. H-1B lottery vulnerability. Relying on the H-1B lottery without an approved I-140 leaves your continued U.S. work authorization vulnerable to lottery selection outcomes. Loss of career flexibility. Early filing anchors your place in line. Delaying restricts your ability to safely switch employers or leverage portability rules later in your career. Delays the safety nets. An approved I-140 with a secured priority date allows you to extend H-1B status beyond the standard 6-year limit and protects your place in line even if you change employers later. Delaying the process delays these safety nets. Extended backlogs and retrogression. Longer wait times. A later priority date means waiting significantly longer for your date to become current. On the Department of State's Visa Bulletin, vulnerability to retrogression. Cutoff dates can move backward unexpectedly due to high demand and per-country caps, pushing your target date even further out of reach. Extended dependent restriction. Spouses on H-4 dependent visas face a prolonged reliance on employment authorization document renewals without permanent stability. Longer processing wait. You cannot file your final green card application. This is Form I-485. Wait until your priority date becomes current on the Department of State Visa Bulletin. A later date means waiting longer for that milestone. Every day you wait to file the base petitions like PWD, PERM, and I-140 moves your spot further back in the queue compared to others who file immediately. Delaying your EB2 or EB3 priority date registration as an Indian national on F-1 OPT EAD only delays the start of a 10+ years backlog queue. Because filing early locks in your place in line, waiting would permanently defers your ultimate eligibility date. Delaying your EB2 or EB3 priority date as an Indian-born F-1 OPT or STEM OPT holder pushes back your place in a multi-decade green card backlog. Because the queue for Indian nationals spans 10+ years, every month or year you wait to file, your PERM or I-140 means your eventual permanent residency date moves that much further into the future.
Please feel free to reach out to Artifint Robotics Technologies at 945-468-8100 for more information on starting an employment-based green card process for F-1 OPT EAD visa holders.